मेरे योगा क्लास में रोशन, I was the only Indian, and I was surprised that yoga that is so much Indian is now so much in the West. Roshan, dad still complains. Yeah, dad is like, you should have been, because you've been a university topper, you have been a topper everywhere. We have sent you to USA to study. तुम योगी बन के आ गई. So he still says that, but it's okay.
Hi Paloma, how are you?
I am good, Roshan. How are you?
I am full power, Paloma. So let me introduce you first. I have a must full power introduction about you, जो हमारी टीम ने research करके लिखा है.
Thank you.
Okay. Paloma is known for her work as a life coach, celebrity yoga coach, and health culturist. She has taught yoga to celebrities like Siddharth Chopra, who is Priyanka Chopra's brother, Jhakas, Anil Kapoor, Ashutosh Khavarkar, Sonu Nigam, Nikitin Dheer, and many more famous personalities. And now today she's live with RJ Roshan. जब आपने सोचा कि मैं योगा में एक प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनर बनूंगी, I'll be doing yoga with celebrities, training them. How was that journey? Because बड़े होके सबके माँ बाप ये कहते हैं कि इंजीनियर बन ले या तो डॉक्टर बन ले. तो ऐसा कैसे सोचा आपने कि you will choose this as the profession?
At the age of 6, I went to the All Bengal Championship, and it was very, very tough, like very tough, a competition to crack. I stood second. That was beyond my imagination. So when I actually went to the championship, I understood, Roshan, there's a complete different world of yoga. India में मैंने जो Calcutta में practice किया था, it was still manageable. But in America, the kind of practice, the kind of class, and with the dedication they were actually teaching yoga, I was stunned. And professionally, they were so ahead of us in terms of even taking yoga as a craft and spreading it to millions of the whites there. मेरे yoga class में, Roshan, I was the only Indian. And I was surprised that yoga that is so much Indian is now so much in the West. And that
then
time
you decided to bring it back?
Then it
India.
was so when I came back, so I started practicing, Roshan. I did my teacher training in US, okay, with Hatha Yoga. Then I did my training with Ashtanga Vinyasa, then Power Yoga. Then I went to Auroville, okay. In Auroville with Aurobindo Ashram, I did my meditation training. That's how I became a health culturalist. So then I started teaching. So मेरे दिमाग में ये आइडिया ही नहीं था कि सेलिब्रिटी हो, कॉर्पोरेट हो. वो मैंने वो ग्राफ ही नहीं मैंने like I didn't.
बस जो अच्छा लगा वो करते रहे.
Yes, I just followed my heart. And my dad wanted me to be an IAS officer. My mom wanted me to be a yogi. So now that's how it is.
So your dad must be proud कि मम्मी के आपने सुन ली.
Dad still complains. Yeah, dad is like, you should have been, because you've been a university topper, you have been a topper everywhere. We have sent you to USA to study. तुम योगी बन के आ गई. So he still says that, but it's okay.
I have been asked a question. How do we deal with stress? Is what Yash has asked you.
During the lockdown, हमारे दिमाग में consciously ये बात आ गई है. It came to us that we are alone, we are lonely.
Alone,
This is the reason more that हम लोग ये lockdown ने हमें conscious करा दिया है of our state. The best way to get over is दिन के कोई भी time पे 10 मिनट हो, 15 मिनट हो, आप खुद के साथ बैठिए. Sit down to introspect with yourself. इसका term हम लोग बोलते हैं meditation. Meditation is a very yogi-like term. But on a very simple layman language, meditation is sitting with yourself, sitting with your own self and your thought process. Meditation is not blanking your mind all the time. Meditation is also introspection. आपको जो आपके पास जो सवाल है, जिनका जवाब आपके पास नहीं है, वो सवाल का जवाब आपको मेडिटेशन देता है.
और एक क्वेश्चन आया हमें SDS 7 का. It was a 6-line comment. Hi Paloma, would request you suggest some great yoga exercises for people who are going through depression, as this helps us to spread the knowledge and help everyone around.
What you have to do is, आपका जो thumb है, आप इधर one nostril में you have to put it, and the other finger you have to put on the other nostril. You will keep breathing in, Long inhale so that the air reaches your head, and the other you will exhale through the other. I will repeat. And exhale. Within a half a minute, you will be completely stress-free.
Full power. ये हुई ना बात.
I have a question for you, Roshan. You're such a well-known RJ. How and 10 years back, the concept of RJing was not that as of a professional, as a serious profession. How did you make this journey of being an RJ?
So for me, it was actually quite different. So I started doing my science 11th, 12th standard में, and I realized कि वो मेरे से हो नहीं पाएगा. Then I realized that वो मेरे से हो नहीं पाएगा. And then I did my graduation in Bachelor's of Mass Media. Then I thought कि यार life में कुछ करना ना तो MBA कर लेना चाहिए. So I did my MBA from Symbiosis in Media and Communication.
Right.
And then I didn't think of radio. I thought कि ये जो MBA का फीस है इसको भरना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो पापा मेरे को बहुत मारेगा. Happy Father's Day, पापा. Okay. So I did a sales job for 1.5 years.
Okay.
And then I thought that now it's time to do something that you like. So I started writing, and radio was always there subconsciously because I used to host events. And then I decided, okay, let's give radio a shot because I was 24 then. And if I didn't try then I couldn't have been an RJ. And then 1 year internship, and then things worked out.
That's amazing. So that's your story from being a science student to being a radio RJ. That's amazing.
So information तो हमेशा important है, लेकिन entertainment हमेशा करते रहना चाहिए. So I brought a game for you.
Please.
Okay.
Please go ahead.
Questions rapid fire. 5 things that Paloma always keeps handy.
My cell phone, a bottle of water, a storybook.
Okay.
I would say my lip balm. I need it all the time. And a small hand towel.
Small hand towel. Sahi.
Yes.
Lip balm. Cool.
Yeah.
4 asanas that Paloma does every day.
The one is the cobra posture. The Ustra Asana is another spinal series. One is the half moon posture, Ardha Chandra Asana. Another is the triangle posture, Trikonasana, which opens up the 14 major joints of your body within half a second. So 4 of these postures takes care 360 degree of my entire body upside down.
Deva. 3 things you're looking forward to post lockdown.
Definitely, I'm looking forward to go to my yoga studio, which is in Bandra, and teach a class. Okay, I don't know when is that going to happen. The second thing is go to a mountain and just sit with nature because I haven't. Though meditation I do every day, but I haven't been in physical contact with nature. That's like your healing. I love to travel all the time, so I'm just waiting to go. Probably I'll just fly down to Rishikesh. And the third thing is going and meeting my parents in Calcutta.
2 highlights of your journey.
The day when I decided that I'm going to take this huge leap from becoming an academician, probably from becoming a professor or an IAS officer to becoming a yoga teacher. From choosing between the pen and to choosing a yoga mat. That was one journey for sure. And the other journey is definitely from becoming a yoga student to becoming a yoga teacher. That was a huge leap in my career as well, because when you practice, you can being a student and being a teacher, there is a lot of difference. There is an entire journey that you have to really undergo.
What is that one quote or one line or one word that this Paloma is known for, or Paloma talks to herself or tells herself?
Be the best you can according to the potential that you can become at a point of time. So if I am right now talking to you, I will be the best possible self I can given this moment. So I live my best in this moment. Through your show, so many people are getting happiness. That is the most important thing, Roshan. Keep doing so much good work that you're doing. The most important thing today is happiness. You are spreading it, doing great job. Thank you so much. We are all
Thank you.
indebted to you. Thank you so
Full
much.
marks.